you start your morning right or waste it on your phone? Today, let's learn English through a simple morning routine conversation.
Let's get started.
Good morning, Alex. You look fresh today.
Good morning, Emma. Thanks. I actually had a great morning.
Really? What did you do?
Well, I woke up at 6 a.m. today. That's earlier than usual.
Wow, that's early. I usually wake up at 7:30.
I used to wake up late too, but I'm trying to build a better routine.
That's a good idea. So, what's the first thing you do after waking up?
First, I drink a glass of water. It helps me feel awake.
Oh, I should try that. I usually check my phone first.
Haha, I used to do that too, but now I avoid my phone in the morning.
That sounds difficult. How do you do it?
I just keep my phone away from my bed. It helps a lot.
Smart. After drinking water, what do you do?
I stretch for about 10 minutes. Then I do some light exercise.
Nice. Do you go to the gym?
Not every day. Sometimes I just do exercises at home.
I don't exercise in the morning. I feel too sleepy.
I understand. It was hard for me at first too.
So, what helps you stay motivated?
I think about how good I feel after exercising. That motivates me.
That makes sense. What do you do after exercise?
I take a shower. A cold shower wakes me up completely.
A cold shower? That sounds scary.
It's not that bad once you get used to it.
I prefer warm showers. They feel more relaxing.
Yeah, warm showers are nice too.
What about breakfast? Do you eat every morning?
Yes, I always eat breakfast. It's very important.
What do you usually eat?
I usually eat eggs, toast, and sometimes fruit.
That sounds healthy. I usually just drink coffee.
You should eat something too. It gives you energy.
I know. I'll try to improve.
Do you make your own breakfast?
Sometimes, but when I'm busy, I just grab something quick.
That's understandable.
So, after breakfast, what's next?
I plan my day. I write down my tasks in a notebook.
Oh, I like that idea. It helps you stay organized, right?
Exactly. It makes my day more productive.
I usually feel confused in the morning. Maybe I should try planning.
You definitely should. It really helps.
Do you listen to music in the morning?
Yes, I listen to calm music while getting ready.
Nice. I like listening to podcasts.
That's great too. You can learn new things.
Exactly. It's like learning while getting ready.
So, what time do you leave the house?
I usually leave around 8:30.
Same here. I leave at about 8:15.
Do you ever feel rushed in the morning?
Not anymore. Waking up early gives me enough time.
That's my problem. I always feel rushed.
Maybe you should wake up a bit earlier.
Yeah, I know you're right.
Start with just 15 minutes earlier. It's easier.
That's a good tip. I'll try tomorrow.
Great. Small changes can make a big difference.
You're inspiring me to improve my morning routine.
I'm glad to hear that.
So, what's your favorite part of your morning routine?
I think it's the quiet time. It feels peaceful.
I like that too. The morning is very calm.
Yes, it's the best time to focus.
I agree. I should stop wasting it on my phone.
Exactly. Use that time wisely.
Thanks for sharing your routine, Alex.
You're welcome, Emma. What about you? What's your ideal morning routine?
I think I want to wake up earlier, exercise, and eat a healthy breakfast.
That sounds perfect.
I'll start tomorrow. Wish me luck.
Good luck. You can do it.
Thanks. Let's talk again tomorrow and share our progress.
Deal. See you tomorrow.
See you.
If you want to improve your English every day, don't forget to like, subscribe, and practice daily. Thanks for watching.